Hi, good evening. Thank you for coming. I'm not going to talk too much, filmmaking is a collaborative process, and this whole journey has been, sorry, this whole journey has been possible thanks to the contribution of so many people who helped me along the way, the musicians and my crew, and so many people in Goa who helped me find my way through the film. So thank you very much. Incidentally, there's a section in the film which features the Mod Music Festival, which was the first moment of footage which I recorded, and of course it grew from there. So I'm not going to say anything more. I hope you enjoy the film, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have after the screening. Thank you.
Yeah, put up the lights there.
Thank you.
Just put that light as well.